What is going to happen to you if you miss your child support payments? Well, you probably know that in Alabama, people will be put in jail for missing child support payments. Child support is an extremely important thing to keep up with and not fall behind on, because there are a lot of judges that will put you in jail for 5 days for every time you've missed a child support payment. In Alabama, the penalty for what we call an act of contempt, which means you failed to do something or refused to do something the court told you to do, which can include paying child support, can be 5 days in jail for every missed child support payment. So that means if you're ordered to pay a weekly child support payment and you've not paid for a year, that's 52 weeks. 5 times 52 is a lot of days in jail. You don't want to have to spend time in jail. So if you've had a dramatic income change and you can't afford to pay child support, the smartest thing you can do right now is to file to modify your child support and inform the court, hey, I've had a change, I can't pay right now. Because if you don't, and you just simply stop paying and think, I'll catch up later on, that's a bad decision, because your spouse or your former spouse may choose to go to the county courthouse and file a non-support warrant against you. That gets to be a criminal issue then, where even different than just a civil contempt penalty, you could have a case where they're going to lock you up first and ask questions later because they swore out a non-support warrant for you. That's a various thing to take into consideration. So don't get behind the child support. If you do, file something immediately to get it rectified. But what if the other side is not paying child support and you're supposed to receive child support? They're not paying it. You've got to know, same deal. It is a contempt of court for them not to pay child support. And you need to hire a lawyer to file a contempt petition against them, ask the judge to sanction them in every way possible, up to and including putting them in jail if necessary for non-payment of child support.